Hey, it's Jess from Head to Toe Health. This is an ant-ag exercise for supraspinatus, which is one of the rotator cuff tendons. So we're going to do the right side. So just grab onto your clothing, to your pants at the side there, directly beside you, and you're going to pull out as firmly as you can against the pants, and you're going to feel contraction up through the top. You're going to feel those muscles switching on. So we're going to hold that contraction for 6 seconds, breathing in for the 6 seconds through your nose. And then once you've finished your 6 seconds, you relax the arm, hold for 6 seconds and release the breath. So you're breathing out for 6 seconds through the nose. And then your next 6 seconds, you're pushing in against the thigh. So trying to bring the arm beside the body. Again, 6 seconds, breathing in for that time through the nose. And then you relax the arm for 6 seconds. So you're going to run through that 3 pairs of those 2 movements and do them 3 to 5 times a day.